Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. For today's video is how to use ChatGPT for Chatbot A/B testing. Using ChatGPT for Chatbot A/B testing involves comparing different versions or variations of your chatbot to evaluate the performance and determine which one delivers better results. Here's a step-by-step guide on how you use ChatGPT for Chatbot A/B testing. First is define testing goals. Clearly define the specific goals and metrics you want to measure during the A/B testing process. Ensure these goals align with your chatbot objectives such as user engagement, conversion rates, or task completion. Next is create variations. Develop two or more variations of your chatbot, each representing a specific change or modification you want to test. Keep other elements consistent across the variations to isolate the impact of the specific variables being tested. Third is split user groups. Divide your user base into different groups and assign each group to a specific chatbot variation. Randomly allocate users to ensure a fair representation and comparable user distribution across variations. Fourth is deploy and collect data. Deploy the chatbot variations to their respective user groups and collect relevant data using the testing period. Monitor user interactions, track conversation metrics, and gather data on the defined metrics and goals. Last is analyze and determine. Analyze the collected data and compare the performance of the chatbot variations using statistical analysis techniques. Identify the variations that performs better based on the defined metrics. Use the insights gained to determine the preferred version for deployment and iterate accordingly. By following these 5 steps, you can systematically compare different versions of your chatbot, evaluate the performance, and make data-driven decisions to optimize its effectiveness and user experience. So that's it. I hope that you learned something and this video helps. And if you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below and make sure to subscribe and like to our channel. Thanks!